Hi, how you doing? This is Chris over at 3d-palace, and this is just a little heads up to let you know that the tutorial, the used to be called the Badger, but now I believe the Storm Raven, because that's what it was based on, is actually available. And if you want to give it a try, it's completely free on www.3d-palace.com. You can just watch it and get started today. It was originally released several years ago, but only released in 9 parts. I can't remember why. Maybe I was going through a peculiar patch then. It's actually 20 parts long, and all 20 parts are available completely free for you to start watching. Later on today, there will be a recording done by myself and Leebles, where we're going to be talking about what's going on at 3D Palace at the moment. And if you haven't been to www.3d-palace or just 3d-palace.com, you should pop along, because it's now tutorials rather than endless boring articles that weren't really doing much. You know, I spent a few years not doing much because the industry seemed a bit rubbish, but now it's back and it's great. But it's a good opportunity for you to do some stuff. So pop on over to have a look at 3D Palace, and I'll be talking with Leebles quite a bit more later on about some of the upcoming changes that you can expect and what's going on. Ta-ta for now.